Oh Lord. Am I racing them or just watching them?
Racing, I believe, like a total race.
It's a race?
Yeah.
Pretty much whooping, that's what it is.
Alright guys, just for fun, because I know you love seeing this so much, we are going to take the Beast Megatron against the 400. 60 horsepower versus 30. Twice the horsepower here. And I'm placing myself in the softer side. On you!
He's gone. I can't even hear my own self think with that quad next to me. Let alone know when to shift this quad right here.
Start going and get it! I want to suck you up, bro!
Oh Lord. Not even a race. That's not even a race right there. That's just a whooping.